and our assembly apartment to all of you. This year we had updated many new technology on our machine. The first is the change stage crate machine, and the second is the hemi station, and the third is the matrix creative panels stacking machine. Also today we would like to introduce you the three machines together. The back of me. So the first is change stage crate machine, and then heavy machine, and then stacking machine. Look. We are trying to introduce you the machine body for stacking machine. This is the stacking machine. This is the heavy machine structure, machine body frame. Okay, we already finished the machine body firstly, and now we sit here and we will make the final quality control. And we will check the dimension and the holes precision. Here. Okay, after this procedure, and we will make the assembly, the next step of the assembly, like this. And this is the heavy machine assembly apartment. So this chair. Now we are just finish the base of the machine. My friends, the back of my machine, okay? My back is the heavy machine structure. Let me show you carefully, okay? Step by step. And also the soil heads. Now we are not install, but in the next few days we will install the soil head, okay? This kind of heads have the other function is the cutting, okay? Cutting and the sewing together. They're working together. Controlled by PLC, okay? Please check carefully. And now we change the new position for better checking, for better see. Okay, and here we just install. No, we are install the soil head now. The soil head is produced by ourselves. It's very strong soil head. If you need more information, we will send you by email, especially for the pictures and the advantage of this kind of soil head. Okay, please check. So, if you need more, remember Zolytech. We have a lot of emails. We have a lot of videos in YouTube and also in Facebook, also in our website. And also you could find our WhatsApp number, WeChat ID from our website. So now I would like to introduce my partner, Mr. Kevin. Yes, for more introduction. Okay. Thank you, my friends, to see our show, our live show, and I will try my best to introduce you more details information about the production line for mattress panel. Our product range is the mattress panel, quilting machine, and the cutting machine. So we are focused on the sewing technology in the mattress industry. Behind me is the newly published automatic heavy machine. It is a replacement of common cutting machine, because we found that during the mattress processing, during mattress production, it costs a lot of time. It costs a lot of time to cut the mattress panel, and after cutting, we have to arrange the very skilled operator for flanging machine.
1 minute, sorry. Welcome, Mr. Zhejiang. With COVID, welcome to look our live stream. Zhejiang. Yes.
I know the
Yeah, from Serbia.
Serbia.
Yeah, Serbia.
Yes.
And also we knew each other many years. You come to name this mattress, I think. This mattress.
Yes, this mattress.
Zhejiang.
I hope everything is
nice
going
to see
well.
you.
Okay.
So much.
Okay.
Yes.
And I continue to introduce you our mattress production line, the quilting and hemming and cutting and then stacking. Okay, it's right behind me. Okay, please follow me. Okay. Okay, this is the mattress production mattress panel, and here is the quilting machine multi-needle. I guess this machine is popular in the market. But the heavy machine is new technology, and till now it is not very popular in the market. But I am very sure that the heavy machine will become popular in the near future, because it's make the process more easier. In the future, in the past, the flanging, the overlock process is quite a skilled job. So with the shortage of our skilled worker, it is more difficult to find a skilled operator for the overlock process. So this is the reason why the heavy machine will be becoming more and more popular.
Yeah, and also now our heavy machine is a new version now. So what technology updates I think we should introduce to our friend?
Yes, we updated. This is the third generation of the heavy machine. Based on the first generation and the second generation, we updated a lot. Firstly, the sewing head, we make it more heavy duty and more strong machine body to sew the quilt, the high thickness material. Yeah. So the most important part in the hemming machine is the sewing.
Yes.
The hemming head. So we spent a lot of time to research and develop the heavy duty sewing head because we know in some area of the world, for example in Europe and in North America,
the next panel are always the high thickness, up to 80 millimeters. So we update. We make our sewing head more strong to be able to build maximum 80 mm thickness material.
然后呢，就是我们现在有很多的这个 heavy machine 在客户的工厂里面运转，所以呢，我们根据客户的使用体验，我们也修改了很多的一些功能，这些功能会从实际操作的这个体验得到更多的这种提升。所以就问他们可能会出现哪一些功能上的需求，他们这个时候我们就单纯的介绍。
For the heavy machine, we already have a lot of customers in China and also in some area in the world. And we got some feedbacks of their using of the machine, and we update continuously update our machine based on their feedback and do our research work. So
Yes.
this machine is now really stable and simple operation. So you have a very low cost. It is easy to learn to operate the production line.
Yes. Also, we had get a lot of suggestions from our customers, such as after cutting, how much materials waste. We use more precise rules for checking this kind of wasted materials, and also we have more suggestions from our customer under their working performance. For example, the fabric quality, the finish, how the machine stops. Because from the cutting machine, from the cutting and sewing head, there is some difference, some distance from the quality machine. So, how much meters should be left, and then the quality machine should be stopped automatically. So we have this kind of production data, and then we improve our software in the computer. So I'm sure, my friends, you will find many kinds of this kind of production experience. So if you have more questions or inquiries, just get me, okay? Zolytech, I'm very pleased to wait and get your inquiries, okay? And if you need more videos in our customers' factory, for example, how our customer use this machine smoothly, and how only 1 or 2 person in China they could operate the machine smoothly. How could they make it? This kind of experience we would like to introduce to you. Yes. So we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Okay. You could find our website, and also in any SNS this social software, you could find the Zolytech and our videos and our contact information. So now I would like to introduce you more details about our new version heavy machine, heavy sewing head. Okay, because this kind of sewing head, we install the knife or blades together, so they are working together, controlled by PLC. So this is really what we would like to introduce to you. So let's
step by step。OK， 现在我想给大家介绍一下，就是我们这款机器的这个机头，我们这个机头是来自意大利的。它的品牌 is the brand OK there are 8 needles OK and now we already update some structures because we get a lot of suggestions from our customers. The first is we use the common needles, okay, which is the same as plate machine. It's the needles, okay. Usually we use 4 needles, but totally we could install 8 needles. This is 8, okay, 8 needles. The needles is the same as plate machine, okay. So this could the same as plate machine, okay. So this could make the after sales service and spare parts more common, okay. And the second is the looper, okay. The hook also we call looper. Also, it's the same as plate machine, okay. We already update the easy fragile spare parts, make them same as plate machine. So this could make the machine working more smoothly actually, okay. And also here have some spare parts. For example, this looper holder. Okay, the looper holder. We will give you more pieces, and also the parts is not very heavy. So when we load the machine, we will give you more spare parts for supporting. Okay, the needles, and the retainer. Okay, and also the looper. The most important is this kind of leader and this kind of looper. Okay, is the same as the plate machine. This is the most important. Okay, and also some spare parts. For example, the sensor box. Okay, the sensor box, automatic stop sensor box. Also, we share the same. So the handling machine, the plate machine. Okay, some spare parts they keep the same. Okay, they could use each other freely, no problem. And also program. Okay, when our apartment drop the program, it's almost the same as cutting machine and stacking machine. Okay, cut machine, stacking machine. Why? Because the program is based on PLC controlled. Okay, touch screen and PLC they're working together, and we make the same program. The bottom program is the PLC control. So after you use sometimes, your people will be more easily understand the machine working. So your people will be more familiar with the control system. So this is also our advantage. Okay. So anyway, I hope you could understand my explanation. This is the business service I think from Zolytech. So if you people, okay, if you people is new, okay, if you people is new user, I'm sure after our engineer training, your people will understand the machine, how the machine working, the control points from the signal to signal, okay, controlled by PLC and touch screen. So how the working, okay, and also we use the same theory, the same program theory used to mattress production line. Okay, I hope I could explain clearly to all of you, my friends. Okay, now I would like to ask my partner Camila to introduce you. The first is 刚刚我和他聊到一个就是，首先我们现在的这个机头的很多零件，对吧？断线、子停和针、钩子我们都是通用的。然后呢，这个程序的底层逻辑我们都是一样的。为什么呢？我们为了更好的服务，我们已经将这个四面缝裁剪机，甚至包括我们的全自动生产线，我们采用同样的程序底层逻辑，同样的程序去扩展的。那么对于我们的客户来说，他会更容易的去接受，更容易的去接触，即使遇到小问题，客户自己的工程师都很容易去学会。就好像你会用这一款手机的程序，这一款智能手机，你基本上也会用另外一款智能手机。那么为什么会出现这种情况？那是因为我们要降低操作我们机器的技术门槛。这也是为什么在我们中国，哪怕是一个女孩子，也能够很顺畅的操作我们3拖1的一整套生产线。那么就是我们的这个creating machine、heavy machine 和 stacking machine， 甚至在我们中国也出现了，在自动化流水线上面，大部分的操纵工都是女孩子，只配1到2个工程师 engineer， 又能解说，又能检查和保养维护这个技术层面的这个机器设备，这也是我们的优势之所在。我刚刚说的这一个呢，是把我们的一些关键性的技术把它躲开，同时我也介绍了我们这一款机器，对吧？第一个是8分的，对吧？第二个呢，我们这个是4个人用它的一个程序底层逻辑和这个机头的一个大致介绍，基本上介绍。My English maybe is not very well, so I'll switch.
Jeremy, I'm back. Okay. I will continue to introduce our the information of the production line, and also I would like to inform you that in the end of March, in the end of this month, we will show this production line right behind me. This production line in CIFF exhibition, which will be held in Guangzhou. The period is from 28th to 31st in March. So we cordially invite you to come to China and meet us in our booth. Okay, this.
Excuse me, me and Mr. Dejiang. This mattress HBR customer always is watching us.
Okay.
Thanks for Mr. Babrak. Okay. Also is watching our live streaming.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thanks for watching. Now I'm showing you. I'm going to introduce you the mattress panel production line. The production line consists of 3 machines. Firstly, the multi-needle quilt machine, and secondly, the mattress hemming machine, and the end is the stacking machine, the mattress panel stacking machine. So we will show this production line in CIFF in end of this month. So if you have time, I cordially invite you to meet us and we talk more details, okay? And also we will show this production line in Interzoom, Cologne, in Germany, which will be held in the 9th to 12th in May. So if you cannot manage to visit China, you can also we can also meet in Germany, Cologne. So if you are interested or your amigos,
Hola, mi amigos. And also Arabic, Alhamdulillah, Mashallah, Mishallah, Yushallah.
ahora estoy introduciendo la producción para hacer paneles de colchones. En esta línea de producción hay tres máquinas. La primera es la acolchadora de multiaguja y heavy machine 不会说呀。
啊，heavy machine.
不会说。
Sewing machine also okay.
Y
This kind of machine.
la segunda es la
我们来动，你不要动。
okay. Es la cortadora. Cortadora con sewing head. Okay, I will back to English. Okay. Thanks, my friend. Thanks for your encourage. Okay. I think 我觉得我们可以结束了吧？还有没有人？ Okay, oh my friend, thank you for watching. Today we're going to finish our live show. So if you have any interest or any doubts, please don't hesitate to send us message. We are at your disposal. Okay. We will see the same time next week. We look forward to receiving your messages. See you next week. Bye. 就这样了。Salam alaikum. 这有个人。
这是买的。